Hello everyone, welcome to another Midjourney tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to add Midjourney Bot to your Discord server. So when you visit your Midjourney server, which is not really your server, but basically Midjourney's official server, you will have a couple of options to add your Midjourney Bot to your Discord server. So first of all, you will need to obviously log in and into your Discord. Click on the newbies tab, which is right here. You can click on any of these tabs. So click on one. Then here you will have basically show members list. This is how it will look like. Click show members list. Then you will have a members list right here on the right side. And now you will need to click on the Midjourney Bot with the left click. And then as you can see, it will open up this right here. So just click add to server. Here you will need to select your server. So click server test 1, for example, for me. Click continue, and then you will basically be able to go out there and to basically add your your Midjourney Bot to your server, right? So as you can see right here, I have my Midjourney Bot, so I can click imagine, right? And I can basically say futuristic space, right? And then as you can see, Midjourney Bot will start working on that basically on that command or on that prompt, right? So that's pretty much how you can add your Midjourney Bot to your own Discord server. If you have any questions or maybe comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.